Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Dexter 10-inch left-hand and right-hand side manual adjust electric trailer brake assemblies for 4,400 pound axles. Now these electric brakes are easier to install and they offer more user control than hydraulic brakes. Basically electric brakes will require only an electric brake controller, which we do sell separate on our website. There's no need for any brake actuator or hydraulic lines with electric brakes. The brake shoes on these brake assemblies are lined with an automotive grade friction material, and that friction material is fully bonded to the shoe. It's not riveted. Gives you a lot longer life, more braking torque. Now these are manual adjustment brakes, so you do have to do a periodic manual adjustment. And basically the way you would do that is down at the bottom here is the adjustment wheel. You would just adjust that in or out depending on when your brakes are wearing. Now this does include the 10-inch by 2 1/4 inch driver side and passenger side electric trailer brake assemblies. And when we mention driver side and passenger side, just to tell the difference, when you get a new assembly it'll have a sticker on it and it'll tell you what side it is. But if you didn't have the sticker on it, the easiest way to tell is you look at the length of the pad that's on the brake shoe. This one you can see goes from here to here, and the pad on the other side goes all the way from here to here. So this one, the first one, is the shorter pad. The shorter pad is always your primary shoe, and that'll face the front of the trailer. So that's going to tell you this goes this way. So it'll let you know that this is the left-hand or driver side assembly. And the same on the right-hand passenger side assembly. Again, it'll come with a sticker, but if it isn't there, you just look at the size of the pads on the shoes. And the smaller pad right here will face the front of the trailer. Now the mounting hardware you can see is included. It gives you the 4 nuts that will allow you to install this to the 4-bolt brake mounting flange that this goes on to. This part is made in the USA. Now the dimensions, the size on this is a 10-inch by 2 1/4 inch. And what those dimensions mean is the 10-inch is going to be the diameter, measured from here to here. So if we take a ruler and go straight across, there's your 10-inch diameter. And the 2 1/4 is the width of the brake pad. So you can see there's your 2 1/4 measurement. Now the application, this will fit most standard Hubbard drum assemblies including Dexter, but these do not work with the Lippert 4,400 pound axles due to clearance issues with the brake mounting flange. Now we mentioned the brake mounting flange, and what I'm going to do is give you some measurements on that to help you out. We're going to measure the top row of bolts center to center, the bottom row center to center, and then we'll measure them top to bottom. So the front, or the top row center to center is right at 2 7/8 inches, and the bottom row center to center is right at 3 1/4 inches, and then the measurement from the top one to the bottom one center to center is right at 3 inches. These do use a wheel size of 14-inch up to 15-inch wheels. We mentioned the axle rating they fit on is 4,400 pounds. And one last thing I do want to mention, if you notice, they do have the electric wires on them since they are electric brakes, and these wires do need to be connected. One goes to a ground, one goes to the brake feed for power, and they're both the same color wires, so you can use either wire for either function. But that should do it for the review on the Dexter 10-inch left-hand and right-hand side manual adjust electric trailer brake assemblies for 4,400 pound axles.